Hi! Hope you're having a great day. Just a reminder, our extended summer hours are now in effect. All summer long, we'll be open weekdays at 7 a.m. to serve you even better. Thanks for shopping at HVAC Supply today. We're glad you're here.
It's back by popular demand, the Model HD Hot Dog Unit Heater from Modine. This low-profile unit can be used in both commercial and residential applications, and it can be installed just 1 inch below the ceiling. Model HD 75 is for large garages or greenhouses up to 650 square feet. The price? Only $430. And Model HD 125 is for spaces up to 1,200 square feet. It's now just $515. Don't wait. Save on Model HD Hot Dog Unit Heaters this month at all 4 HVAC Supply locations. Get special prices on sheet metal throughout the month of May at all 4 HVAC Supply locations. 30-gauge elbows are now just 91 cents each, and 30-gauge pipe in 10-foot sections is only 49 cents per foot. Will call only. Prices on all our sheet metal products have been reduced for May, so ask for more details while you're here today. May sheet metal savings at HVAC Supply.